Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and yet another Audi R8 Generation 1 radio conversion video for you guys. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. If you haven't seen some of the videos that we've already posted on the Generation 1 Audi R8, make sure you go check them out. By already so many live on our YouTube channel. This is using our custom 3D printed fascia panel. Later on in the video, I'll be stepping inside the vehicle and actually going through a little bit more about the functionality and features that we've actually added in on the radio. But for now, we're going to talk about the custom fascia panel. It's completely 3D designed and printed in-house. Then it's basically filled and then painted to, in essence, give a really stunning finish. We've actually included the Audi R8 emblem into the actual panel itself. It's not stuck on, it's embedded into it. It looks absolutely phenomenal, sets the car off, but also brings so much functionality when you're changing the kit vehicle over from the stock Audi R8 system to the actual new, on this occasion, we've gone for the Pioneer unit. So it's the Z9200 unit, and it makes such a difference having wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, so much functionality literally packed live directly into a unit. What we've also done, which I'll show you later on in the video when we're actually inside the car, is actually retention of the factory reversing camera as well, plus retention of the Bang & Olufsen system, also retaining steering wheel control. So we retained a load of features from stock, but also upgraded loads more functionality. So hopefully you're enjoying the video so far. Let's step inside the vehicle and finish off in there. So now actually inside the vehicle, as you can see here, we've got a custom R8 fascia. This is with the logo embedded into it. So I have at the moment connected physically with a lead, which at the moment we've dropped USBs actually into the glove box. However, we have got full wireless connectivity here as well. On the unit, we've got a little eject button, which is quite nice. You press that, unit flips forward, you've got access to a CD DVD slot as well as an SD card slot, which is nice. You can press the eject button to close it. This is the Pioneer Z9200, so we've got a 7-inch screen here. We've got Apple CarPlay, which is nice. So this can be all done wirelessly. Spotify integration, Google Maps, messages, you name it, it's all there. Everything you could possibly need live directly on the new unit. You've got satellite maps via Google Maps here. Plus on the actual unit, you do have the option of adding a glass mounted antenna to add digital radio. On this occasion, we haven't on this install. However, there are options to add that later on. However, we have retained the factory FM antenna, which is quite nice. On the actual unit inside here, we've got volume control retained on steering wheel controls, plus seek on the actual steering wheel. And we've actually flushed in the mic into a stock location up top, so you can't see a thing there. But overall, a really nice unit. So just wanted to give you guys a bit of a brief overview of what this looks like actually installed into the vehicle. If you are interested in having something like this, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through everything with you in a bit more detail. Other than that, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.